exciting style, engaging. Hey everyone, today I'm taking you on an exhilarating journey to one of the Philippines' most astonishing feats of engineering, the San Juanico Bridge. This isn't just any bridge, it's the longest bridge in the Philippines, stretching a whopping 2.16 kilometers over the sparkling waters that separate the islands of Samar and Leyte. Now, imagine cruising on this marvel of architecture with the ocean breeze in your hair and the panoramic views of the San Juanico Strait. It's not just the length that makes this bridge spectacular, it's the mesmerizing scenery that surrounds it and the stories that echo from its spans. Constructed in the early 1970s, the San Juanico Bridge was a gift of love from Ferdinand Marcos to his wife, Imelda, essentially connecting her hometown to the rest of the country. This bridge isn't just a route from point A to B, it symbolizes connection, resilience, and hope for many Filipinos. Driving or walking across, you'll notice the bridge's unique shape, resembling a slithering snake over the water. And if you're lucky, you might catch a festival or a local fishing boat parade beneath its massive structure, adding vibrant life to this serene passage. I urge you, if you ever find yourself in the Philippines, take a moment to experience the San Juanico Bridge. Whether it's the break of dawn with hues of purple and orange lighting up the sky, or a quiet sunset, each moment here tells a story. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. So, are you ready to add this architectural gem to your travel bucket list? I know I was thrilled to check it off mine.